Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Integrating Python with HTML is commonly done using a web framework. One popular framework for this purpose is Flask. Flask is a lightweight and easy to use framework that allows you to create web applications quickly. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the process of setting up a simple Flask web application and integrating Python with HTML. Before you start, make sure you have Python installed on your system. You can install Flask using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. Create a new file, let's call it app.py, and open it in your preferred code editor. Add the following code to create a basic Flask application. Create a new folder named templates in the same directory as your app.py file. Inside the templates folder, create a new HTML file named index.html. Add the following HTML code. Go back to your terminal or command prompt and run the following command. Visit http://127.0.0.1:5000/ in your web browser, and you should see your Python with HTML application. Now, let's modify the app.py file to pass data from Python to HTML. Update the home root in app.py. And update the index.html file to display the message. Now, when you run your Flask application and visit the home page, you'll see the message passed from Python. Congratulations! You've created a simple web application using Python and HTML with the Flask framework. This is just a basic example, and Flask provides many features for building more complex web applications. Feel free to explore the Flask documentation for more advanced topics and functionalities. ChatGPT